Meet the future of portable soldering. Introducing the Solder Ninja Pen, a 45-watt USB-powered soldering iron designed for reliability and precision. Hi, my name is Nicholas. After 10 years working in the electronics industry as an engineer, I set out to create the perfect soldering iron for makers. It is a durable tool made from anodized machined aluminum and uses high-quality components. It has an embedded display and buttons for fine temperature adjustment, and you can bring it anywhere you go. It is compatible with the extensive catalog of easily exchangeable Weller RT tips. Solder anywhere, in any situation. From workshops to remote locations, the Solder Ninja Pen is ready for action. The electronics revolve around a Raspberry Pi RP2040 microcontroller, a DC-to-DC converter, and multiple USB power negotiation ICs, allowing it to make use of a wide variety of power supplies, up to 45 watts. The prototype units have proven to work reliably. Production is ready to go, and I'm now seeking your support to help lower the manufacturing costs. Thank you.